Welcome back to another Vahrenberg Implement informational series video. And today we're here with a 4700 Global Series. One of the things is, with all the modern conveniences like adding loaders, four-wheel drive and all that, we've made maintenance a little bit more difficult to do and perform. As vital and as important as it is, AGCO Parts has come up with a tool, and we're going to show you today here. It's available from your AGCO Parts dealer. This is a new tool that is available that helps you change your fuel filters. You may only need just this little handle to help you, but if you need that little extra strength, you can actually connect it to a breaker bar or a ratchet to help you get your filters loosened up. We're going to jump in here. We're going to show you how it works. It basically, if you use any AGCO tractor using the V837091129 Fuel Filter Kit, will use this. I've got a quick list in my pocket here that I've looked up. It's going to be any Global Series, the 47, 57, 6700 series Global Series, the 4600 or 4600M, the 5600, 5700S series premium tractors, 6600 and 6700S premium tractor, the 7600 and 7700S series premium tractor, and the 8600, 8700 high horsepower premium tractors will use this wrench. Our price right now is $12.65. That's the middle of November here, 2019. It works simple and easy. I grabbed a filter kit. Taking one of them, you get your main filter and your secondary filter all come in a kit. This is going to be easier to show on this filter. I pulled it out just to make it easier. You've got these ridges around the edge there, you can see those little dimples. This has notches, and it simply goes on your notches like that and allows you to spin the filter. You can get it, and you can tighten your filter or loosen it. This filter, you want to make sure that that filter edge is up good tight against that thing, or you can suck air and that can create you some nightmares. Gonna make it easier. It's getting close to winter here, and I would highly suggest changing your fuel filters. Get that junk out of there, because there's nothing worse than a cold winter's day changing your filters out there. But one good thing is this will help keep your hands dry if you do have to change it. We're going to have them here in stock at Vahrenberg Implement to help our customers. Give our parts department a call and they can help you. We've got the genuine fuel filters, the only filter you should be running on your equipment, and we'll have the tools to help you get it done right. This will fit the AGCO filter. So we're going to jump in here, show you how to do it, so you can get more, do more, and get it done correctly and right. If you look in here, you don't have a lot of room, but this filter wrench is going to help it make it easier to slip right over that, and then you can take your filter. If you look here real close, I'll zoom in the camera here in just a second, but with the filter wrench, you can get on both filters and help you service your tractor without having to dismount the loader brackets or anything. It's going to make it simpler and easier to take care of your problem. If you do need that ratchet, this is a perfectly good brand new tractor, but you can hook your ratchet on there and it will help take care of servicing your filters. That's how the tool works. It's available from AGCO. Just a couple tips. One of the tips is that black ring needs to be right up to this edge. This is your filter base. That chunk right there is the top of your filter you need to make sure that's good and tight. When you start your tractor, you'll need to bleed the air there, but once you start it, you want it to run nice and smooth. If it's loping a little bit, if you see the RPMs bouncing up and down just a hair, you may want to tighten this up a little bit more, because you're sucking a little air in there, which will reduce the performance, and could cause problems, because too much air could cause it where you'd have to bleed your fuel injection system. This makes it easier, get you the tool, get you the right filters, and keep your tractor running in tip-top shape. This is a 4707 and the tool fits. There's the 4710, and we can see that the tool fits the filters. This is a 5700 Global Series. Same thing, this tool will work on the fuel filters on them. From the largest Global Series, the 6700 Series uses the same filters, and that tool will fit on them also. This is an exciting announcement. This is the 6700S Series Massey Ferguson. And guess what? It just won the Machine of the Year for 2020 mid-horsepower tractors. There's the fuel filter, and the wrench works on it too. Exciting things, man. Machine of the Year for mid-horsepower tractors. Massey Ferguson award-winning innovations. And now we'll come to a 7700 series. This is actually the 7715S tractor, and it's going to have the same fuel system right there. The wrench works on that fuel filter also. Both of these fuel filters are the same. So check out all those tractor models. As I mentioned before, this one tool will fit the fuel filters on multiple tractors. So if you've got a lot of different Massey Fergusons, one tool with the filter kit will solve your needs. At Massey Ferguson and Vahrenberg Implement, it's about making your life easier. When you use genuine AGCO parts, you're using the correct parts, guaranteed to work, guaranteed to give you the performance and reliability that this tractor was engineered and designed for. And now from AGCO Parts, a simpler way, a helping hand to make it easier, that if you want to do your own maintenance, that you can do it with a filter wrench tool that's available to take care of the V837091129 filter kit from AGCO Parts. AGCO Service, AGCO Parts, and Massey Ferguson are here to help you get the most out of your investment. So next time you need parts and service, visit your local AGCO dealer, and they'll be able to help you get the right parts, the right tools, to make it easier so you can enjoy the better things in life. Visit us if you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're just 4 miles north of Interstate 70 at the 49-mile marker exit from the Kansas line, just outside of Kansas City, Missouri. Or visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer. If you don't know what it is, go to masseyferguson.com. Up in the top right-hand corner, there's a dealer locator. Put in your zip code and you can find your local Massey Ferguson dealer. Thank you for tuning in. Get your filter wrench, get your genuine AGCO filters, and keep that tractor running trouble-free all year long. Thank you.